Potential bomb cyclone hitting the northeast U.S., NYC, Long Island, NJ, etc. on February 22nd to 23rd, 2026. I've updated it slightly based on the latest consensus from sources like NWS, Fox Weather, AccuWeather, and others as of February 21st, 2026 afternoon. Forecasts are still evolving, with snowfall ranging from moderate to potentially heavy depending on the storm track. Powerful coastal nor'easter threatens the northeast. Snow, winds, and possible blizzard conditions for New York City and Long Island. A strong coastal storm is developing in the Atlantic and is expected to intensify into a powerful nor'easter or even a rapid bomb cyclone by Sunday, February 22nd, 2026. This system will bring significant snowfall to New York City, Long Island, New Jersey, parts of Connecticut, and eastern Pennsylvania, with a high chance of blizzard conditions in some areas. Heavy snow plus strong winds reducing visibility dramatically. Expected timeline. Saturday, February 21st. Mostly dry and milder. Highs around 46 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 degrees Celsius, with a low chance of light rain in the afternoon. Rain may start overnight and transition to snow as colder air arrives. Sunday, February 22nd. Cloudy. Highs around 38 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius, 50% chance of snow. Snow intensifies from afternoon/evening onward. Sunday night. Monday morning. Peak period heaviest snow and accumulation with strong winds. Snow may linger into Monday afternoon before tapering off. Monday. Expect a very messy and hazardous morning commute due to snow and ice. Forecast snowfall totals. Totals vary widely depending on models, GFS, ECMWF, NAM, etc., but current consensus. New York City, 5 boroughs, 3 to 10 inches, 8 to 25 centimeters, with some models showing 6 to 12 inches possible in parts. Long Island, Nassau, and Suffolk higher, 4 to 13 inches, with eastern/coastal areas potentially 8, 15+ inches. New Jersey, especially south, central, and Jersey Shore often the highest, 6, 12+ inches, up to 18 inches in aggressive scenarios. Northern/western areas, e.g., Hudson Valley lower, 2 to 6 inches. Worst case runs. Some models push 12 to 18 inches for NYC metro and Boston areas if the storm hugs the coast closely. Winds and blizzard risk. Strong northeast winds, 30 to 45 miles per hour, 50 to 70 kilometers per hour, higher on the coast. Blizzard conditions very possible. Heavy snow plus winds dropping visibility to under a quarter mile. Rapid accumulation. More likely if the storm tracks closer to shore. Moderate coastal flooding risk from winds plus high tide. Official alerts. Winter storm watch in effect from Sunday 6 a.m. to Monday 6 p.m. for NYC, Long Island, much of NJ, and nearby areas. Some zones, eastern Long Island, coastal NJ/CT, may upgrade to winter storm warning or blizzard warning if higher totals and winds confirm. Uncertainty and scenarios. The storm is still developing. Track is everything. Closer to coast, westward shift, much heavier snow, 10+ inches in NYC. Farther offshore, lighter totals, maybe 2 to 6 inches. Even a 50 to 100 mile shift can change it from major to minor. Models will refine Saturday. Expected impacts. Hazardous travel, especially Monday a.m. commute. Possible school/university closures. Power outages from heavy/wet snow plus wind. Road/bridge hazards and coastal flooding. Preparation tips. Monitor updates hourly for National Weather Service, weather.gov, Fox 5 New York, or NBC New York. Stock batteries, food, water. Avoid unnecessary travel Sunday night/Monday morning. Check on friends/family in the area. This could be one of the biggest snow events of the season for the region. Stay tuned. If you want more specific maps, a certain area's forecast, or fresh updates, just say the word and I'll grab whatever you need.